Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can undo changes in the Photopea photo editing tool online. So let's get started right away. So as you can see, we're on photopea.com, and let's assume we have two text layers, sorry, like that here. So let me add, just for demonstration purposes, a third layer and then show you how to undo that change. So for demonstration purposes, let me select the type tool here on the left panel by clicking on the T icon here. So let me place the text box here and name that layer, like for instance layer 3. So now as you can see here in the top right corner, you see the history of made changes. If you'd like to redo or undo the latest or the recent changes, simply hold Ctrl and Z on your keyboard, or if you're using a Mac or an Apple product, Command Z, and that is going to undo the last step, and you can go back in time by simply pressing Ctrl Z over and over again to undo previous changes and steps here on Photopea. And that's it, guys. That's how you undo changes on Photopea. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.